Hi, my name is Marc Dillon. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Jolla and one of the co-founders of the company. Jolla is a new mobile phone manufacturer from Finland, and we're also featuring the Sailfish operating system, which is an open and independent alternative to the other operating system ecosystems that are available today. We were born from Nokia and the MeeGo N9 platform, and we took this platform forward when Nokia changed its strategy in 2011 and formed a new company that then has produced not only a new device but also a new operating system called Sailfish. So Sailfish is different in a lot of different kinds of ways. So first off, we have a state-of-the-art multitasking interface so that you can deal with your whole digital life right in the home screen of the device. You can see all of your applications open at the same time and be able to really easily go back and forth and rule your device instead of having your device rule you. But the openness is not just about open source, which we are, but it's also about open for business. So we're very eager to partner to help create new business and new innovation with others. So we're not blocking any kind of services from being integrated into our platform, but instead we're working with everyone to be able to do new and innovative kinds of things. So in addition to launching our smartphone and the Sailfish operating system, we're also launching the other half of the device, which means that brand companies can then take a device and really change the way that they deal with customers and the way that they interact with their customers. In this case, I have two examples. I have an Angry Birds device, which actually allows Angry Birds to have a space where they can actually get directly to their customers and have contact with them and be able to interact with them. We also launched another half from Lowyat, which is a Finnish clothing manufacturer, which allows them to push content to their customers, give them a very interesting experience where they actually can go to find new things, and also happen to have the Lowyat catalog there as well. So one of the most important things is that we are an independent operating system, which means that we're not dominated by one big company. So this allows us to work with lots of different kinds of partners in order to give them an experience that actually connects them better to their customers. And this openness also allows us to be able to work in parallel with them so that they can keep up to date and keep new features coming on their device as they go along. So the native Sailfish applications with the multitasking and all of the gestures that we have are based on Qt and QML. So not only does it allow an application developer to very easily integrate their existing application, it's also great for newcomers who've maybe never made an application before. So it's a very easy language to learn, and it's very easy to create a very powerful yet beautiful application that then fits very well into the Sailfish application framework. So the Qt and QML was actually born from Nokia. So it was born before Nokia, and then Nokia acquired it and then made it open source. So actually it's had a great deal of investment from a very large company before, and we've productized it here and made it available for Sailfish. I'll tell you a couple of different things about scalability. First off, the scalability of the operating system is such that not only can it go to very low price points, it can also go into the luxury or the very high-end devices. So the operating system is very efficient. So just putting it onto an existing device already makes the device run faster and better. But also, Jolla as a small company scales through the use of partners. So we've created this device with a small number of people in a very short period of time, and we think that we've created something really wonderful. And partners are coming to us to help us scale globally so that we can actually take the Jolla device and the Sailfish operating system, put it on lots of different devices, and make it available all around the world for people to buy, directly through all the different kinds of channels like retailers and operators and online. We've had a huge number of inquiries about using Sailfish to provide a differentiator for OEMs, because the problem at the moment now is they don't have any way to actually attract users because everything is essentially the same in an Android device. So what we're doing is we're giving them a great alternative, not only to do something new by just using Sailfish, but also to be able to integrate new services and create new innovation that provides true innovation just for that operator or channel. Difficult challenge. Getting the device out last year in 6 months. We lost our chipset when ST Ericsson changed their business last year, and we were actually able to make a brand new device with 100 people in 6 months. So the biggest challenge behind us was that. But the biggest challenge going forward, I think, is just making sure that we get the word out and people understand that there really is a great alternative for them. But like I say, they're coming to us so steadily that we're having a great opportunity to take Sailfish and spread it around the world on Jolla devices and other devices. Plus, we're also giving it away. So people will be able to take the Android device that they already have, put Sailfish on it, renew it, make it better and more efficient. We're giving a real high-end experience, but at a mid-tier price. We're giving the best multitasking in the world. You can see your whole digital life in the palm of your hand at the same time. You're not putting on tunnel vision to go into one application, then coming out to go into the next application. You're able to seamlessly and effortlessly move back and forth between lots of different things. You pick up your smartphone 200 times a day. And how many things do you do when you do that just to find out what's going on in your digital life? So with the Jolla device, you leave all of your applications open at the same time and you can see at a glance everything that you need. So the idea is that not only can you take an existing Jolla device and at a retail point buy just the other half of the device. This other half has a chip inside that then goes and authenticates to the store and downloads software that allows any kind of application or customization that the customer or brand house or content provider, or it could be your favorite rock band that you want to show off that you love this band, or in this case this great Angry Birds device or Makia device. We can also package these and put a custom package on it afterwards so that you can truly have a custom smartphone for your brand or for your innovation that then allows you to reach customers in a new kind of way and do a really deep integration into the user experience so that you can have a very easy way to contact your customers, keep in contact with them, and keep them interested in your brand. We've made a platform for innovation. So, of course, we do have some other halves that are in the works, but it's primarily about engaging with other companies and engaging with other even individuals to help to create new innovations. And we have a platform where we are able to help others in order to build their business. And then we can build cooperative business through the use of this. We'll see how they go. The most important thing at the moment is that we keep delivering updates and we keep adding value for those who've believed in our device, and we scale out through partnerships. You know, for example, our 4th software update, even though we've only been out a couple of months, is coming, and we've doubled the number of camera features. We've increased the landscape support throughout the whole device and done a lot of performance improvements and things like this. So we're going to continue to deliver monthly software updates that add value to the user. So then, of course, this platform enables others to be able to create not only hardware innovations, but software innovations, and that's a key focus for us now. I believe this is going to be the year of Sailfish. I think that we're going to see a lot of penetration of Sailfish into helping people manage their digital life, and we're going to see it help manufacturers provide differentiation, maybe even add for operators to be able to provide something that's new to their customer and draw them in. It's difficult to pick an operator these days for anything other than price. So we're giving them something that can be a great advantage for their business. So we announced Russia, India, and Hong Kong sales start, and we've had a huge number of operators, both global and local, in many different countries that are very actively engaged with us in getting Jolla devices powered by Sailfish into their markets. Sailfish will continue delivering. We've had a hardware roadmap that we've kept up to date for a long time, and the next device will come, but really we want to continue to add value and create partnerships with the existing device.